So just like Samsung, OnePlus is gonna launch its next generation flagship, the OnePlus 9, earlier than usual in March. And similar to the S21 series, we now have our first card render and picture of the OnePlus 9 courtesy of ever-reliable leaker OnLeaks. Based on the render, the front of the device is gonna be the same with the OnePlus 8 Pro, with a curved 6.7-inch Fluid AMOLED display with the selfie punch hole on the top left corner of the device. But on the back, there's gonna be some changes compared to the OnePlus 8 Pro. The camera module has been moved to the top left corner on the back of the device, and it's gonna house 4 cameras. The main sensor is gonna be the largest sensor ever put on a OnePlus device. It's gonna have 48 megapixel resolution, and the other big sensor on the back of the device is gonna be the ultra-wide lens, and it's also gonna have 48 megapixel resolution. And if they go by the OnePlus 8 Pro, then the other 2 cameras should be a 3x optical zoom lens and a macro or depth sensor. But judging by the size of those lenses, they're most likely gonna be a macro sensor or a depth sensor, which are by far the most useless sensors you could put on a phone. Adding those lenses is just a marketing gimmick so they can say their phone has 4 cameras, when in reality, you're pretty much gonna use just 2. If they're not gonna include a telephoto lens in their flagship for the year at a time when periscope zoom is becoming a thing, that's gonna be a pretty bad move by OnePlus. I would pick a telephoto lens over 2 useless depth and macro sensors any time of the day, and I'm pretty sure I'm not alone in that decision. So OnePlus dropping the telephoto lens after using a 3x optical zoom lens on the OnePlus 8 Pro is definitely a step in the wrong direction. We also have our first look at the entry-level OnePlus 9, and it's pretty much the same as the OnePlus 8 on the front. And on the back, it shares the same camera placement as the OnePlus 9 Pro, albeit with 1 less camera. So 1 wide, 1 ultra-wide, and 1 macro sensor. Anyway, what do you think about the OnePlus 9 Pro dropping the telephoto lens and opting for a macro or depth sensor? Let me know in the comment section below. Drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more tech related videos. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.